G'day and welcome to Detour Racing. G'day gang, here we are, update number 5 for Flipper 1, the Altra9 VE Commodore. Last week we were waiting for some parts to come in and we had a whole heap of termination of cabling to do. This week was really short. As you may recall, I had preparations for Easter family commitments, so I only got to work on Flipper 1 here for a few hours on a couple of days. Let's go and see what I got up to. If you've been following along, you know that the boot's finished. You won't see that until the final episode or two now. Anyway, the parts for the engine bay arrived. And so I got in and finished terminating the top of the engine here. As you can see, it's all complete, including all the mounts that it needed to mount up all of the harness along the fuel rail there. Another section that needed some attention, and I said I wanted to get done this week, was terminating off the two big connectors to the right there, and they are the two that actually feed all the cabling to the engine and transmission. The rest of the engine bay was nearly complete. It was just requiring me to get this couple of modules here all terminated, and there they are, all finished, loaded up with relays and circuit breakers, ready to do the deal. That means the engine bay is now ready to go. It could go to the track if the rest of the car was finished, nothing else to do to the engine. The only thing that I want to do to the harness is a couple little items to help dress it off, to give it that last final finishing touch that I believe it deserves. You'll see here that the windscreen wiper, motor and mechanism is all mounted up now as well. It's all terminated, ready to go. In the cabin of the car, you know that the battery's back here and the other cabling's been finished for quite some time. In here looks a bit different now. The negative post over there, let's see, just there, that's all terminated now. It's just waiting for a part to dress it off to make it look pretty. The power module, I've got that removed at the moment. It's the task that we will be attacking next week, and then that will take care of all of that bit of spaghetti that's just laying there on the trans tunnel. Down here at the switches, you'll see most of that is terminated now. There's one wire just to the left there with the red crimp lug hanging off of it. It has to go onto the battery master switch, and those 4 small wires there, they're all part of the windscreen wiper module that we're sorting out, and that will have everything in here terminated off. The only other items that we need to actually run a couple of little wires for and get terminated up now is the dash, and on the dash you'll see the ignition switch, the start switch and the alternator light. Very little there, that'll all get taken care of quite quickly as well. There we go, just about done. Like we said last episode, it's always the last 10% that seems to take the longest. Anyway, we're just about there, which is awesome. If we're really lucky and have a great week next week, no other interruptions from life, quite possibly the next update episode will see Flipper 1 here getting winched onto the trailer, ready to go back to the guys at Altra9 so they can finish putting it back together. That won't mean that my job is finished. I'll still have a few other details to take care of after Flipper 1 returns, and then I will be there for the first engine fire up just to make sure all goes well. Thanks for watching, appreciate the support, and we'll catch up with you in the next update. Thank you.